If you want to schedule your iPhone to automatically turn off without you having to go in and manually remember that, I'll show you how to automatically do it, but also with a caveat at the end that you definitely want to consider. So the first thing we're going to do is take your finger and swipe down. Type in shortcuts and tap on the Shortcuts app. We're going to use the Shortcuts app to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is tap on the plus at the top right. And then just tap on Search Actions and search for Shutdown and tap on that. Now, after we've done this, this is the action that will shut down. If I hit the play button, you can see it says, do you want your iPhone to shut down? Let's hit cancel right now. But now we need to manually set it so that it will automatically do that every night, let's say at 10 or 11 p.m. when you're getting ready to go to bed. So now instead of the shortcuts library, we need to go to automation. So tap on automation at the bottom center and new automation. From here, most people want it as a time of day. So I'm going to tap time of day at the top. And I want my iPhone to shut down at the time of day of, let's say, 10 p.m. So I'm going to set 10 p.m. And I want to repeat daily, and I want it to just run immediately and no need to notify me. Let's tap the next button, and now we're going to tell it what to do at 10 p.m. We want to shut down. So find your option that says shut down. However, the downside to this is your iPhone/Apple has built in some security mechanisms that you can't shut down your iPhone without a confirmation. So your best option now is at 10 p.m. every night, your iPhone will automatically run this feature, and now you will need to tap the red shutdown button. Unfortunately, there's no way, no physical possible way as of right now to shut down your iPhone without a verbal or a manual confirmation, but you can set this for every night when you're in bed reading or browsing the web, and it will tell you, hey, do you want to shut it down? And this will be a good reminder to regularly turn your phone off. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.